Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok in slow motion. So I'll show you two options. One, how you can see TikTok in slow motion in TikTok, and another I'll show you how you can see TikTok in slow motion in Snapchat. So let's go to a video first. I'll check one of my video. Okay, so this is the video. Just check the speed. Okay, now let's save the video. Okay, video is saved. Now let's go to camera again. Now this is the upload button, tap there, and this is the video we just saved. Select this and hit next. Okay, now at the bottom of the screen you can see a timer button, tap there and you will see this. Now select 0.5 to slower the video and 2x to speed up the video. So that's it guys. Likewise you can see slow motion in TikTok, and if you want to check the same thing in Snapchat, let's go to Snapchat. Okay, this is the browse button, tap there, go to camera roll. This is the video we just saved. At the top right corner you can see this 3 vertical dot, tap there. In this pop-up, tap on edit snap, slide right. This is the reverse, slide right. This is the fast forward, and this is the slow-mo. So that's it guys. Likewise you can watch a TikTok in slow-mo in TikTok and in Snapchat. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.